Greetings. I go by the name of Daddy Sluggy, aka Sluggy Youth, and welcome to the very first episode of Zim Dancehall Evolution. Yes, when we talk about Zim Dancehall, we're not just talking about the time you started knowing about Zim Dancehall. We're not just talking about the time Zim Dancehall started playing on all national radios. We're not talking about the time you thought Zim Dancehall was popular. We're talking about the evolution when it started, right? Every tree has its own roots and every building has its own foundation. So when we talk about Zim Dancehall and then we forget to mention the foundation of how it started, we're not really talking about Zim Dancehall at all. Bob Marley comes to Zimbabwe, performs at Rufaro Stadium. Not only does he perform, but he actually chartered a plane from UK, where he was based. Chartered a plane for the equipment because he wanted this show to be massive. And he chartered a plane for his band members as well to come to Zimbabwe. can't forget Mr. Chitungwiza. He actually had an album dedicated to reggae music, So he had this kind of own vibe, his reggae vibe, and you easily tell that this is John Chubadura, Bob Marley came, he actually put a stamp of approval to say, okay, now you can listen to this. And from then on, nearly every big artist wanted to experiment with reggae music, you see. So this is the journey we're going to talk about right now. On this first episode, we'll be talking about that journey when most of the big artists, who were not reggae artists, but tried experimenting with reggae music. The song we're going to play right now is from Pied Pipers. Yes, Pied Pipers. And this one's called Brothers Chant.
Shining bright, sisters chant by the river, washing clothes, talking points, playing a sweet melody, a lot of percussion, a lot of kalimba, a lot of marimba, singing a sweet melody with a lot of rhythm, a lot of congas, a lot of bongos, singing yo yo, ay yo, ay yo, ay yo. Everybody sing it to me now, yo yo, ay yo. Everybody, ay yo, help me now, ay yo. Fathers cry, waking in the mind, from 6 to 6. Feed the hungry children. Mama song in an African night, crying little baby till the morning light. Playing a sweet melody with a lot of percussion, a lot of kalimba, a lot of marimba. Playing a sweet melody with a lot of percussion, a lot of congas, a lot of bongos, singing yo yo, ay yo, ay yo, help me now, ay yo. Everybody sing it to me now, yo yo, ay yo, ay yo, ay yo.
Sangana pamararano wakabata fumonekano onchituruka nenyika onchitaga pekogara onchitaga pekomara oyo oyo my babo oyo 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 Buda, zikati nyemwerera tikafara nekutamba. Oyo, oyo my babo, oyo, 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 oyo. got the good vibrations. It feels so good, our liberation. Ow! Let's all fest the step and rebuild Zimbabwe. Forget about the bad old days and rebuild Zimbabwe. People got to get together and build Zimbabwe. We got the good vibrations. It feels so good, our liberation. People in the ghetto got to feel the good vibrations. People got to get together and build Zimbabwe. People everywhere got to feel the good vibrations. Let's forget the past and rebuild Zimbabwe. We got the good vibrations. It feels so good, our liberation. Go down Nigeria, you hear the reggae sounds. Deep down in Ghana, you hear it all around. Fire down Maputo, they got the reggae beats. Here in Zimbabwe, there's dancing in the street. This is the sounds, the reggae sounds of Africa. Sounds, the reggae sounds of Africa. It's got the beats, the beat of Africa. Yeah, the reggae sounds of Africa. Yeah, the reggae sounds of Africa. Cairo down to Cape Town, the reggae sound is heard. Right across the fatherland, reggae is the word. It's the sound of the people, happiness, joy and peace, uniting all of Africa, and the sounds will never cease. This is the sound, reggae sounds of Africa. Sounds, the reggae sounds of Africa. It's got the beats, the beat of Africa. Yeah, the reggae sounds of Africa. Yeah, the reggae sounds of Africa.
You can't talk about reggae music or Zim dancer without mentioning this guy. And this is the legendary Thomas Mapfumo. Yes, he did a lot with reggae music, dating back from 1981, 82, all the way to 1990, when he did Corruption, which also got banned. But right now, we take you to Mukanya. Reggae music without talking about Andy Brown. Andy Brown and the Storm. Later on, he ended up, joining forces with the chanter Potato on most of his, albums and live shows. Marley came, he actually put a stamp of approval to say, okay, now you can listen to this. And from then on, nearly every big artist wanted to experiment with reggae music. Performed, not only did he plant a seed, because reggae music was already like popular among the, the ghetto youths. Jah Solo, yes, Solomon Skuza. Jah Solo, yes, he had a massive album, and to tell you the truth, one of his songs is still actually a big tune in Kenya right now, because most of the people in Kenya, they don't even know he's from Zimbabwe. They just sing, they think maybe he's from Kenya or maybe Jamaica, I don't know. But he's still blowing up right now. Jah Solo, Solomon Skuza. Yep.
As it could be, but when she said she'd marry me, but now she is gone, but now she is gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone. She broke my heart for another guy, and she broke my heart for another guy, for another guy, for another guy. A guy who under crushed. The information has been leaking so far. Leaking, 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 leaking. She said unless until I bite a crushed, she'll never come back to me. If that's the case going on, I'd rather be alone. I'd rather be alone. I'll stay without a kiss, without love. If she wants me to buy that crash I saw in the paper, she mustn't confuse me. I'll stay without love. Did you hear the news? But did you hear the news? But did you hear the news? How can someone buy a gun and sell it again? Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. The emperor wants to know. Even you want to know. Some people are still undecided, but forgive them, love, for they don't know what they are doing. Viva Zimbabwe, Viva Zimbabwe.
waiting, baby. Yeah, waiting, baby. I'm waiting, baby. Last night I tried to dial your number, but all in vain. But all in vain, baby. There reminds every that you don't love me anymore. Yeah, you don't love me anymore. There is no need to say that, to say you are sorry. Yeah, yeah. And there is no need to feel you are ashamed. If I'm not the one you love, so don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you're to blame. And I know you are doing all these things just to make me cry, Susan. Just to make me cry, baby. Yeah, to make me cry.
Don't cry, my baby.
Just to make me cry.
Please don't cry, my
You're doing
darling.
all these things.
Please don't
just to
cry,
make
my
me cry.
baby. Please don't cry, my darling.
But why can't we live together, like what we used to do? Yeah, just like what we used to do, Susie. Hey. There is no need to say, there is no need to say you are sorry. If I'm not the one you love, you don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you are to blame. And I know that you don't love me. You don't love me anymore. You don't love me anymore, baby. And there is no need to say that you are sorry. Yeah.
If you see, like, we went to jazz solo, that's, Matabeleland. We also have from the Kwekwe area, the Midlands area, we have got Zigzag Band. They brought their own style of reggae music. They call it Chigio, using like those elements of traditional music with reggae music. So when we talk about reggae music, tisakazotanga kuchinja instrument and whatever, this is the beginning, Chigio era. That's when like people started fusing a lot of traditional Zimbabwean vibes on reggae music. Yes, Zigzag Band.
Zvipo zvedu zvinouya zvakasiyana.
tinokuyeuka, tinokuyeuka, oh. Tinokuyeuka, 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 oh. Tinokuyeuka, 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 oh. Tinokuyeuka, 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 oh. Tinokuyeuka, tinokuyeuka, oh. Tinokuyeuka, tinokuyeuka, oh. Tinokuyeuka, tinokuyeuka, oh. Tinokuyeuka, tinokuyeuka, oh.
Yes, we can't forget like the late Oliver Mtukudzi. He did I was born in the ghetto. You know, yes, we can't forget that, but like due to some, you know, copyright issues, I can't play that one, you know. But big up on yourself, teach and everyone. Catch me on the next one as we continue the journey, the evolution of Zim Dancehall. I go by the name of Daddy Slaggy. Respect. Boom! To the world!